Arvin Tolentino is a Filipino professional basketball player for the NorthPort Batang Pier of the Philippine Basketball Association. Tolentino grew up in Angono, Rizal. He first started playing basketball at 12 years old. He was trained by a friend of his father. Throughout high school, he played for the Red Clubs of the San Beda University. In his time there, San Beda won the championship 5 straight times. He was on the NCAA Mythical team and a finals MVP. On September 20, 2022, Tolentino along with Prince Caparel and a 2022 first-round pick was traded to the Northport Batang Pier for Jamie Malonzo. On November 12, 2023, Tolentino scored a career-high 35 points and recorded 9 rebounds in a 113-103 win against the Rain or Shine Lasto Painters. In 2022, Tolentino was one of the final cuts from the final Gilas Filipinas roster for the fifth window of the FIBA World Cup 2023 Asian qualifiers. Tolentino is married to Brandy Kramer, younger sister of former PBA player Duff Kramer. They have a daughter. Tolentino applied for the 2019 PBA draft. He was drafted 10th overall in the first round by the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. In his third game for Ginebra, he scored 11 points against the Meralco Bolts. In his first semi-final game, he scored 13 points and had 5 rebounds. In his 2020 PBA Philippine Cup Finals debut, he had 14 points, 4 rebounds and 3 steals with his game-tying layup as Ginebra won Game 1. Ginebra eventually won the championship. He also finished the season as a nominee for Rookie of the Year and a member of the All-Rookie team. Tolentino debuted against the Adamson Soaring Falcons with 12 points. Against La Salle, he had 14 points, 10 rebounds and 2 blocks. In their match against the UP Fighting Maroons, he had 20 points and 8 rebounds. For these performances, he was given the nickname A Train. He finished the season as the Season 77 Rookie of the Year. Tolentino transferred to FEU in time for Season 80 after Ateneo dropped him. In his first match against his former team, he scored 11 points, but Ateneo took the win. He had a career high to 23 points in their win against NU.